Hi everybody, Gagajoy's cooking. I'm glad you're here today. Today we're going to be making spring rolls. And I'm just getting ready right now to put my shrimp in. It's veined and peeled already. The tail's right. It just needs 2 minutes to cook. Just till it's a little pink. And then we'll, I can start some of the vegetables while that's cooking. Make sure it's okay. This is my shredder, I guess you might say, for the carrots. It's better than trying to shred them the other way. We just need a little bit of shred. We put carrots, onions, cucumbers, and lettuce in our rice strips. It's a very good dessert for people that are on diets. There's just not hardly any calories at all in this one. Seriously. Might make it a little bit longer. Okay. Now, on your, you have to have the lettuce. Be sure and take out the rib, so it'll go on your rice paper evenly. And I've already went ahead and did the noodles. I've got them under here. They're cool, and I just got the, okay, I think we have enough the carrots. And now we'll do our cabbage. I started, take the ribs out of your cabbage. So when you put them on the rice paper, they'll bend easily. You know, this is the Bibb lettuce. It is so pretty, but it's not a lettuce you can buy in one week and expect it to be here the next. I never can get mine much more than 3 or 4 days out of them. It's beautiful. It's easy to work with, but it's not one of those that you want to keep around in your refrigerator, because it really does not do expiration dates real quick. Okay. We got our lettuce and onions and cucumbers. Cucumbers have been washed, and this is an English cucumber. My cucumbers are already gone out of my garden. Just slice them, little pieces, like that. That gives your spring roll some crunch. Okay. Do another piece. Okay, we got our cucumbers, our carrots, onions, lettuce. We could put a little bit of red pepper in there if we wanted to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. I just think it's pretty. Okay, all of that's done. Now, if we cut up our shrimp, we're ready to start assembling our spring rolls. I left the tails on, sometimes it's so much easier to cook and deal with them. Just as you everybody loves shrimp this time of year with their vegetables. I'm cutting them in two because it's a lot easier for you to assemble your spring rolls if they're not quite as big. And, you know, we'll stop there and get one of them started. And see, hot water. Here's some hot water. Now for your spring rolls, I'm using rice paper. If you're not familiar with rice paper, you can get it at Walmart. Put a piece of rice there. Just let it set in there for a second. Turn it over until it gets very pliable. And on your board, just make it wet. And there you go. The first thing we'll do is we'll put our lettuce. And then start lining up our vegetables. Cucumber, a little piece of onion, pepper, and I didn't take that in. A little bit of cucumber. Carrot. Now, up here at the top is where we want to put our shrimp. You do this so it'll show up pretty. Peppers, carrots, lettuce, and onions. And shrimp. Okay, here we go. Like you're wrapping a taco. Okay, there's one. And you see, you can see your shrimp. Lettuce, cucumber, a little bit of onion. These are little green onions. You might want to use a regular, or you don't even have to use onion. You know, you're pick anything you want to here. Shrimp. Okay. There we go. Well, let's continue. I've got my new rice paper, lettuce, onion, pepper, and a little bit of carrot. And then our main ingredient is our rice noodles. And then at the top, we put our shrimp. See how pretty that is? I'm going to do some more of these, and then we will decide what kind of dressing to use. Well, I got them all done. I had enough shrimp to do 9. I could have done more because I'm going to have to get some more shrimp and finish this up because those are too good. My dipping sauce, this is a duck sauce. There's some complicated ones. Paul Newman has one with ginger in it that's so good with this. So let me taste one. I can't wait. It's sort of formed here. Now this one is simply sweet chili sauce. Everything about that's perfect. The shrimp is crunchy, the cucumber's crunchy, the sauce is a little hot. The noodles just turned out perfect. Well, it's a very good recipe. It'll be listed on our site. I had fun doing this today. I'm going to have to do a few more though. Subscribe, ring that bell, remember the joy, take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon.